We'll move on to 18th question. Which one of the following is the correct statement? GFC is the major conduit for energy flow in terrestrial ecosystem. DFC is the major conduit for energy flow. DFC may have connection with GFC. Some of the organisms of GFC are prey to the DFC animal. Now first, what is GFC and DFC? Okay, what is GFC and DFC? Okay, GFC means you know that it is grazing food chain. Grazing food chain. And DFC means detritus food chain. So which is the major conduit, means channel, for energy flow in terrestrial ecosystem? And you know it is grazing food chain. A. 19. The energy source for decomposers is detritus, dead biomass, both A and B, inorganic nutrients. Decompose detritus and dead biomass, no doubt in that. 20th. Identify the incorrect statement. We have to identify the wrong statement. The standing crop is measured as the mass of living organism or the number in unit rates. Correct. The biomass of a species is expressed in terms of fresh or dry weight. That is also correct. Measurement of biomass in terms of dry weight is more accurate. That is also correct. The number of trophic level in GFC is unlimited. No, it's limited. Here is the mistake. Okay, GFC is limited as the transfer of energy follows 10% law. So D is incorrect statement. 21st. Ecological pyramids are the food or energy relationship between organism at different trophic level. First itself is answer. Need not go for remaining. Food or energy relationship between organism at different trophic level. B option is same trophic level. Different or same. So A remains the correct one. 22nd. The trophic level represents species level, population level, functional level, both ends, and it is functional level. Moving on to 23rd question. Let us move on to 23rd question. One of the following is not the limitation of ecological pyramid. Not the limitation of ecological pyramid. It does not take into account the same species belonging to two or more trophic level. See, if you take example of, okay, suppose we take example of omnivores. Okay. Now it's very difficult them to include in the ecological pyramid. Okay. So that is first one. Second one, it assumes a simple food chain that never exists in nature and does not accommodate a food web. Yes, actually in nature food web occurs, but it cannot be accommodated in ecological pyramid. Saprophytes are not given any place. Definitely, where is the place for saprophytes? There is no place in ecological pyramid. So all of them are the limitation. So one of the following is not limitation, means none. 24. Identify the incorrect. Again, incorrect statement. The species composition change in succession is parallel with the change in physical environment. It is correct. It's not incorrect. Climax community is nearly equilibrium with them. This is also correct. During succession, population of species may increase or decline and disappear. This is also correct. The individual transitional communities during succession are called seers. No. Okay, so this is the wrong one. Last one. The climax community is. Climax community is. What is that climax community? Climax community. Always stable, always unstable, always stable as long as environment remains unchanged, slow in secondary succession. See, in succession, in ecological succession, okay, the species which appears first is called as pioneer species. pioneer, and which comes at the end are climax community. So always it appears in equilibrium. Okay, but condition there should not be change in the environment. So the correct answer is always stable as long as environment remains unchanged. So C is the correct answer. Thank you, students.